Good morning, sir. I am here in front of you to answer the following question that you given to us in our Google Classroom. Number 1. What are the duties of the stockman? The duties of the stockman are: the stockman properly inspect all incoming goods, mark or label them with tags, and record them religiously as having been received. Number 2. The stockman is responsible for receiving stock, receiving incoming deliveries, verifying the accuracy of the item received, and inspecting them for any damage or discrepancies. Number 3. Stockman work closely with other departments such as purchasing, sales, and warehouse teams to ensure smooth operation. Number 4. Stockman assists in inventory control by conducting regular stock counts, reconciling discrepancies, and updating inventory records. Number 2. Cite 5 pointers to be remembered in receiving stock. The 5 pointers to be remembered in receiving stock are: number 1. Have the delivery person put the order in the receiving area of the kitchen. Number 2. Have a copy of the purchasing specification available. Number 3. Goods in damaged containers should be inspected. Number 4. Check and inspect the interior of food delivery vehicle for cleanliness and proper temperature. Number 5. Secure the goods in their proper storage area. Discuss 5 points in receiving and explain its importance. Number 1. Have the delivery person put the order in the receiving area of the kitchen. Having the delivery person place the order in the kitchen's receive area is crucial for efficiency, food safety, traceability, workflow optimization, and quality control. It ensures smooth operation, minimizes disruptions, and promotes the safe handling and storage of delivered item. Number 2. Have a copy of the purchasing specification available. Having a readily available copy of the purchasing specification is crucial for accuracy, vendor selection, contractual agreement, quality control, and consistency in procurement process. It ensures clarity, informed decision making, and the desired outcomes are achieved. Number 3. Goods in damaged containers should be inspected. Inspecting goods in damaged containers is vital for quality controls, risk mitigation, customer satisfaction, cost efficiency, and regulatory compliance. It ensures high quality products, prevents accidents, satisfy customers, minimize financial losses, and avoid legal issues. Number 4. Check and inspect the interior of food delivery vehicle for cleanliness and proper temperature. The interior of a food delivery vehicle for cleanliness and proper temperature is crucial for food safety, regulatory compliance, food quality preservation, customer satisfaction, and brand reputation. It ensures hygienic transportation, compliance with regulations, and the freshness of delivered food, enhancing customers' trust and maintaining a positive brand image. Number 5. Secure the goods in their proper storage area. Security goods in the proper storage area is vital as it enhances organization and efficiency, promotes safety, preserve the quality of goods, and optimize space use. It's a key practice that contributes to overall productivity and safety. And that would be all. Thank you.